Hey guys, this is Divya. Welcome back to my channel Boho Beauty. This video is going to be a makeup tutorial. We're going to see how to change from this subtle and simple day look to a glam glowing party look quickly and without trimming your morning makeup. If you wanted to know how I created this subtle all matte day look, do check out my previous video. You can also find the video link in the description below. If you do not want to miss any of my videos, click on the bell icon to get notified. I will also be giving a lot of tips at the end of the video, so keep watching. I've changed my dress and gonna do a quick simple hairdo. I'm leaving my side parting as it is. I'm taking a small section of my hair from left side, combing well and then twisting it. Once tightly twisted, take it to the side and secure it with a couple of hairpins. First step is to apply a shimmer eyeshadow. If you had checked my previous video, I had already used a cinnamon brown shade on the crease and as well all over my lids. So as the base is already done, I am now just highlighting my eyelids by taking a light pink shimmer shade and applying on the center of the eyelids using a flat eyeshadow brush. You can also use your finger to apply shimmer shades as it picks up the product well and deposits on the eyelid, giving good pigmentation. Step 2 is to change your eyeliner. Now I'm going to create the classic wing liner using the Lakme liquid eyeliner. I'm first drawing a line starting from the end of my lower eyelid, taking the wing up towards the end of my eyebrows. I had already applied a thin coat of eyeliner on the upper lid for the day look, so now just gonna draw a line starting at the end of the upper eyelid and joining it to the wing I created. The Lakme eyeliner is my all-time favorite one. I have been using it for many years. I really love the brush tip it has as I'm not a fan of felt tip. So this one is really convenient and easy to use for me. And it comes for a really long time. The only disadvantage it has is that it is not waterproof. I always start with drawing a thin line and then slowly make it thicker if required. I'm skipping the kajal for lower eyelid and creating a subtle definition by taking a light brown shade and just blending on the outer corner of my lower lid. This is an optional step. Step 3 is to apply mascara or false eyelash. I had already applied mascara for the day look, but still I'm gonna go over it and add few more coats to intensify it. Always remove the excess product from the wand and apply on your lashes by wiggling the mascara wand from the root all the way to the tip so it covers all the areas. If you like false eyelashes and if you have enough time, you can also skip the mascara and directly go for a false eyelash. Not everyone are comfortable wearing a false eyelash, so I'm just gonna stop with the mascara for this quick look. Step 4 is to apply a highlighter. To get a glowing face, I'm gonna use a powder highlighter from Nykaa on the bridge of the nose, on the cupid's bow which is just on and above your upper lips, and on the center of your chin. Now I'm applying on my cheekbones just above the area I had applied the blush to make it more defined. Highlighters reflects light, so when applied on the high points of the face, it creates depth and brightens the area, creating a dewy look. Apply on the inner corners of your eyes to open it up and give them a wide awake look. Also apply some on the brow bone beneath the arch of the brows to highlight its shape. These are all the most common places for highlighting which catches a lot of light. While choosing highlighters, keep in mind that powder highlighters are better for oily skin and creamy highlighters work well for dry skin. The last step is to apply bright lipstick. I am now taking a matte lipstick in pink shade and applying all over my lips. Always start from the center of the lips so the maximum color gets deposited there and blend it outwards. Take little product at a time, apply it and then take more only if required. You can either directly apply the lipstick, or if you have pigmentation in your lips, you can first use a lip liner to cover the pigmentation and then use a lipstick of your choice. If your lips are dry, you can also apply a lip balm or oil first before you start your makeup so it gets really absorbed well, and then wipe off the excess right before applying the lipstick for a smooth finish. If you feel the skin looks dull, you can just use a compact powder to touch up on required areas for coverage. That's it! We have now changed from subtle day look to a glowing glam look for the night with just 5 easy steps. These tricks come in handy if you don't have time to wash your face and start from the beginning. For a night look, you may also have the classic smoky eyes and nude lips combo, or go with a matte simple eye look and glossy bright lips. Hope this video was useful to you guys. Do let me know what you think about this look in the comment section below. Do try them and tag me in your pics. If you like my videos, do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.